Hello, and welcome to this video on introspection. In this video, we'll be exploring Paramahansa Yogananda's perspective on introspection and how it relates to the mind and senses. According to Yogananda, introspection, or sitting in the silence, is an unscientific way of trying to force apart the mind and senses, which are tied together by the life force. He believed that the contemplative mind, attempting its return to divinity, is constantly dragged back toward the senses by the life currents. Yogananda recognized the power of introspection and its ability to help individuals achieve greater self-awareness and spiritual growth. However, he also acknowledged the challenges that come with separating the mind and senses, which are connected by the life force or prana. In his teachings, Yogananda emphasized the importance of spiritual practice and inner reflection as a means of achieving greater awareness and connection with the divine. He believed that through meditation and other spiritual practices, individuals could learn to quiet the mind and overcome the pull of the senses. In conclusion, introspection is a powerful tool for self-reflection and spiritual growth, but it can be challenging to separate the mind and senses. According to Paramahansa Yogananda, the life force or prana plays a significant role in this struggle. By practicing meditation and other spiritual practices, individuals can learn to overcome these challenges and achieve greater awareness and connection with the divine. Thank you for watching this video on introspection and Paramahansa Yogananda's teachings. Don't forget to follow and subscribe.